Okay, group 2 is correct. Let's give hand to group 2. Group 3. Next reporter is group 3. Good afternoon, classmates. Okay, so these are the outputs of our group. So, based on this bar graph, the question number 1 is how many boys are there in grade 4 class? So, in section A, there are 20 students. Section B, 25. Then section C, 30. Then section D, 15. So, the question letter A, what is asked in the problem? Okay, what is asked? How many boys in grade 4? Letter B question, what facts are needed to solve problems? So, 20, 25. Section A, 20. Section B, 25. Section C, 30. Section D, 15. So, question, letter C, what operation will you use? So, you're going to use addition. Letter D, what is the number sentence? So, 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 15. Then, question letter A, what is the complete answer? So, the answer is 90.
Okay, very good.
Okay, so, question number 2, how many girls are there in grade 4 class? So, based on this bar graph, so, question number 1, what is us? So, how many girls in grade 4 class? Letter B, what facts are needed? So, we're going to, the facts here is section A, there are 25 students, section B 20, section C 15, section D 30. So, question letter C, what operation will you use? So, we use addition. Question letter D, what is the number sentence? So, 25 plus 20 plus 15 plus 30. Letter E question, what is the complete answer? The complete answer is 90. So,
Okay, let's give hand to group 3. So I will correct this one in the question letter D. The question letter D is what is the number sentence. So the answer, probably the answer is 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 15. So that is the example of number sentence. That is the correct answer for letter D. And also with the question number 2. 25 plus 20 plus 15 plus 30. So, then equals to
90.
that is the answer for letter E. Complete answer.
90.
Complete answer is 90. Like what happened in group 1 and group 2. Okay, next reporter is group 4.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Dr. Ma'am. So our group, this is an example of vertical graph. So the question is, number 1, what's the total amount of ingredients of adobong pato? So, adobong pato, 120 per kilo. Then we add the ingredients, which is with 7 soy sauce, 8 garlic, 4 onion, and 2 black pepper. So total 141.
Okay,
Number 2, what is the total amount of ingredients of chicken adobo? So chicken adobo, 100 per kilo plus all the ingredients, 21 pesos is equal to 121. Then number 3, what is the total cost if you are going to combine all the ingredients? So if we combine all the ingredients, so the total is 341 pesos. Number 4, if you have a big family, what would you choose to cook? Chicken or adobong pato? Why? So our answer is chicken because chicken is cheaper than pato.
Okay, so group 4. You have a correct answer. So let's give hand to group 4. Now, how did you find the activity? How did you find the activity? Is it easy?
It's hard.
Is it hard or difficult?
It's challenging.
It's very challenging. Then, how did you solve the problem? How did you solve the problem?
We solve the problem of using the graph.
Brian.
We use the graph mom to find and solve the problem that would make us easy to identify the question.
Okay. First, you are going to study about the data presented. Then, analyze the question. What is us? What are the facts are needed to solve the problem so that you can find easily the complete or the correct answer. Now, I have here example of double horizontal bar graph. This is an example of double horizontal bar graph. So, what is the data in the axis?
Book choices.
Book
Choices.
choices. Then,
Number 3.
number of.
Students.
Students.
Okay, the first question. What is the title of the double horizontal bar graph?
Book
Choices.
Book choices. Another. What information is placed along the horizontal axis?
Ma'am.
What information, Brian?
Number of students.
Number of students. Next, how about along the vertical axis route?
Along its the name of the subject.
Name of subject or books. That is what? That is the data of vertical axis, the books. What different groups of data are being compared? What different groups of data are compared?
The light bar and the dark bar.
Oh, the different data is being the different groups of data are being compared is
Boys. Oh.
about
The choices of books.
choices of books,
Book.
Kinds of books.
kinds of books, or what about name of books?
Subject.
Subject.
Name subject.
Name of books or subject per subject. Then, what book is most favorite of the students?
Sense.
Science. Science.
What books are favorite of the students?
Math.
The
Math book.
what is your answer, Rina?
Math book.
Math books. So how many students like math books?
14.
Jenilo, stand up.
24.
How many students likes math books?
Ay. 24.
24.
Okay, 14 plus 10. So, equals to 24. Last question. How many more boys than girls like math books? How many more boys than girls like math books?
2.
So, light bar is boys. Then, the dark bar is girls. Pila kuno kadaghan sa lalaki ang ganahan pagid kumpara sa babae sa math nga libro?
6.
Is it 6?
8.
4.
Ha?
4.
The answer is
4.
4 because boys like math books is 14. The girls is only 10. So, labaw siya og 4. Okay, another example. I have here another example of, this is a horizontal bar graph. This one is vertical, double vertical bar graph.
15.
Okay, so question number 1. What is, Ginilo, stand up. What is the title of double vertical bar graph?
Food choices.
Very good. Let's give isang bagsak to Ginilo. Okay, next. What information is placed along the horizontal axis, Brian?
Number of pupils.
Horizontal
Ay,
axis.
Food.
Name of
Food.
food. Very good. What? Along the vertical axis, Mira.
Number of pupils, ma'am.
So, number of pupils. This is a vertical axis and horizontal axis. Question. Next question, Rina. Kindly stand up. What different groups of data are being compared?
Different groups of data.
Are being compared.
Sa food, no?
Okay, very good. The food, lugaw, minudo, and chicken. They are going to compare. Then, how many pupils choose lugaw and minudo wrote? How many students? Pupils choose lugaw and minudo.
10 plus 15, 25, ma'am.
Only 25?
Chicken.
Lugaw, hindi lang lugaw.
Only 25?
Lugaw?
Lugaw and minudo.
Lugaw.
Lugaw and minudo only. So, what is the correct answer? Who can help Ruth?
Plus 35.
Binti.
What is, how many pupils choose lugaw and minudo? 50? So let us check.
60, ma'am, 60.
60 or 50. So what is the 50 and
60.
60? So tanong ito siya na sa correct. 60. Tanong siya na sa correct.
Correct state naman. Ayun.
So the answer of Brian and Rina is 60. The answer of Ruth is 50. So let us check. The question is how many pupils choose lugaw and minudo? So lugaw, how many?
25.
10 and 15, so 25. And minudo?
20 of
25 plus 20,
45.
45 plus 15, 60. So the correct answer is 60. So pakpaka na nagka-correct. No, bagsak. How many pupils like chicken? How many pupils like chicken?
35.
30? 5 chicken. 20 and 15. So, there are 35. So, everybody read. Everybody read.
Routine
problems are
Problems na follows ang procedure in solving word problems. Understand?
What does the problem ask for? What are the given data? What is the workflow? Plan. What operation is to be used? What is the mathematical sentence? Solve. Show how the solution is done using operation.
Check.
Check if the answer is correct, then state the final answer.
Next.
Non-routine problems that can be solved without following the steps or procedure.
Okay. These are the steps on how you are going to solve the data presented using bar graphs. So first, routine problems. This is example of routine problems. You follow the procedure or steps. So routine problems are problems that follow standard procedure in solving word problems. So first you must be understand what is the graph about, the data presented about. What does the problem ask for? What are the given data? And what is the word clue? Na may clue dito, pwede to add. How many? That is the example of word clue. Then plan. What operation is to be used? So operation yung gamiton. What is the mathematical sentence? Example, you use operation plus or addition. But in the mathematical sentence, you are confused. 40 minus 20 minus 10. So is it correct? Is it correct or wrong? In operation, your answer is plus. But in mathematical sentence, 40 minus 20 minus 10. Is it correct or wrong?
Wrong.
So, it is wrong. So, you must check what operation is to be used? Plus. So, in solution, mathematical sentence, it must be a plus sign. that you can get wrong answer. Next of plan is solve. Show how the solution is done using the operation like this.
Solution.
Then check if the answer is correct and state the final answer. The non-routine problems are problems that can be solved even without the following the steps or procedure. Now, you are going to try to solve this one. Then I have a question. Try to solve the problem. Analyze the data presented. So that is an example of double horizontal bar graph. Question number 1. Ruth, what is the title of the double horizontal bar graph?
It's about favorite flowers of boys and girls, mom.
Okay, very good. That is the title. Favorite flowers of boys and girls. How many boys choose rose flower? Rina. How many boys choose rose flower?
50.
So light bar is boys.
40.
So, rose 40. Very good. Let's give hand to Rina and Ruth. How many more girls than boys love rose?
20.
Hmm?
20?
How many more girls than boys love rose?
10.
Only 10?
Rose
20.
20.
Huh?
20.
The answer is like
20.
what I have said here. What is the word clue? The word clue here is how many more girls. Then you must be analyze what operation to be used so that you can state the final answer. So how many more girls than boys love rose?
20.
Huh?
20.
The boys is only 40 and
40.
girls is 60. So 60 minus
40.
40 is
20.
20. Okay, let us subtract. How many more girls than boys? The question, how many more girls than boys like DC? DC. How many more girls than boys like DC?
20.
20.
20.
Oh, 30 lang sa girls.
30 ang sa girls and sa
20.
boy, 50. So, the same answer, 20. What flower is the favorite of most boys?
Boss, Rosal.
Rosal.
Huh?
And rose.
Rosal.
Okay, Rosal is the highest like among the boys.
Your voice.
Okay, so what is I will give you a paper. So this time is our evaluation. Use the data presented to solve the problem. Answer. Mura na siya. Ang nga kita dia mura ni. Way of use clothes for typhoon Grinda's victim. 10 kilograms. Kasi yung answer ganyan.